Yo, what up, YouTube? Alright, so quick little recap. The good old Ford. Okay. On the way to work the other night, my leader line for my front wheel, actually cracked. I was told, get the leader line, get the leader line. It does so, good for you. It won't break. That was a lie. So, I got the new leader line from Bag Riders. And I have the adapter because I have run 3/8 line. I don't run 1/8 inch line, so 1/8 inch to 3/8. The tape. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. Put the new one on. Hopefully air up. I have no problem. I did have a lot of water in the line, so I'm not sure. Maybe there's some water in there. It froze, broke the line, etc., etc. So get that all jacked up and get that going. I've been driving the truck, thank the Lord. This, been working a fuck ton of overtime last couple weeks, so hopefully I can get some stuff going. I had a couple connections on a motor. Not really sure, honestly, what I want to do. Part of me I kind of want to put a single cam in it. I kind of want to drive it. I kind of want to make sure I go through suspension. Make sure the body of the car and everything else surrounding it is good. And I kind of want to have my girl drive it because I don't know if y'all seen the gas prices, but sheesh, $100+ a week to fill this turd. Either that or I'm gonna do EG subframe. Maybe talk to a couple buddies. Maybe we'll do the bay. I'm not doing like Shea Bay or nothing crazy. Degrease it, clean it up the best that I can. Maybe throw some paint at it. I'm not really sure. And yeah, I get that rolling. My main focus is I need to continue going through the things in my garage. Since I had to redo my basement and my house, I do have a lot of crap here that can go downstairs. I am going to order some lighting because this light, that light, and there's one light above me you can't see because of the door. It's not really adequate. So I want to add more lighting. I do have more insulation, insulated, possibly seal that up there, add more lighting, add a heater because it's like 35 degrees out right now and it gets cold in here. So if I expect to do any kind of work in here this winter, definitely need some heat. Yeah, I got some stuff I got to do. I got to mount and hook up the compressor. Yeah, there's like a lot of stuff I still got to finish. I mean, the last couple months has been crazy. Yeah, so any ideas on a good heater? I do have natural gas in my house, so I thought about running a natural gas setup, but I'm not really quite sure on how I want to do that yet. If I want to do that, or if it's easier possibly just to run, some kind of radiant heater. I don't know. Haven't came up with a solid idea yet. So, any ideas or comments, post them below. All right, let's get this popping. All right, so here is the leader line. I had it tucked in down here. And it's going to the other line down there. So, just gonna take this bad girl out, which I already kind of started loosening. Probably gonna have to take it out over here too, but I need to peel this back. So yeah, I'm gonna peel this back. I'm gonna take this line off and go from there. Alright, so old and the new. So I did find, you can see this, there's some marking here. It looked like it was rubbing against something, but this is the culprit right there. Go focus, please. Hello. Yeah, so what was happening was I left work and I noticed that there was like 30 psi in my bag. And I was like, oh, like I said earlier, I did have some water in there. So I drained it all out, obviously. So I thought maybe there was a little bit of water in the bag, just throwing the sensor off. So I filled it up, driving down the road. By the time I got probably about half a mile down the road, I had like 50 PSI back in the bag. I normally run them at about 85. So I played that game all the way home, about like, 10 miles, just back and forth. Come to find out that it sat in the bag like this, right? And every time that the wheel turned, it would put pressure on the line and it would open up. So anytime I took a right, turn to the right, it would put pressure on there and let the air out. So it's kind of screwed. But new line, gonna throw some tape on it, tuck it back in there, go for gold. All right, line's all taped. And when you want to tape these, especially with this Teflon tape, this threaded sealer, you want to tape it to where when you thread it on, the tape is going to go with it. So it's like you're not, you don't want to wrap it to the left when you're threading it on to the right and have the thread potentially come off. So that's all threaded. Let's put it in the car. All right, so new leader line is in. No leaks. It's tucked away. Nice. All right. Yeah. So I'm gonna drain the tank, make sure there's no water out of it. Fill everything up, put it on level ground. I've already turned the wheel left and right. There's no issue with here. It just full tilt almost touches this back frame here, but everything is tucked. I'm gonna go for a drive. I'll let you know. All right, so new line is in. Threw some spray on it. I don't see any leaks. Sprayed it with some water. I don't see any leaks. Just gotta tuck it up real nice. And also, I was just thinking, I'm gonna check this gap here when I turn the wheel. I don't remember. I'm obviously pretty sure it didn't hit before, but I'm still gonna check it out. See, maybe that's something. If I'm gonna have to turn the bag more, but all right, let me check it out. Yo. All right, going on a test drive with the car, and everything's good. Levels are good. Nothing leaking. Just kind of cruising on the way to work. So yeah. Hopefully, next couple days, I'll have something on the truck. I want to go through some things on the truck, and hopefully, especially with the holidays, I'll have something for the car, have a little update. So yeah, take this little bit of knowledge. Drop the comments on below, especially about any ideas on heating the garage a little better. I want to get that done. A lot of work coming. A lot of work, little time. You know how it goes. So make sure you drop a like, drop a comment, hit that subscribe button